Right, lesson number 18, sequence and series. We'll be solving sum to infinity when it's given in sigma notation, right? So there k equal 1, and the top there have a sigma sign, or not sigma, infinity sign, so 7 times 4, 2 minus k. Right, so number 1, determine sum to infinity, right? Calculate the value. K is 1, goes to there, I have 7 times 4, 2 minus k. So I'll always be required when I give you any sigma notation to get the first three terms. So term 1, there would become 2 minus 1, which gives me 1, 4 times 7, which equals 28. For term 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 times 1 stays 7, and for term 3, 2 minus 3, which gives me negative 1, which then becomes 7 over 4. So you should take note, the terms are decreasing, therefore they are converging towards a point. Right, a equal to 28, that's my first term. R equal term 2 divided by term 1, which gives me the 7 divided by 28, which equal 1 over 4. So as you can see, 1 over 4 is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. Therefore, sum to infinity exists. So sum to infinity will always be a 1 minus r. So sum to infinity, my a value 28. 1 minus r, 1 minus a quarter. So sum to infinity equal 28 divided by 3 over 4. Gives me 28 over 1 times, if I change division to multiplication, becomes, I invert the bottom fraction, 4 over 3. And that basically becomes 37 and a third. So this sequence or series converges towards 37 and a half as a definitive value. My apologies, I forgot to change this in color. I guess my computer ran out of ink. Just joking. Right, if we look at the second problem, n equal to 4, infinity 2 times 5, 6 minus n. Right, so again, first three terms. Right, because it's geometric, I only need two terms, right? So term 1, 2 times 5, 6 in the place of n, 1 and 1. So that gives me 2 times 5 to the power 5 equals 6 to 50. Right, in term 2, there in the place of n, I place 2, 5, 6 minus 2 equal 2 times 5 to the power 4, which equal 1 to 50. Right, so a equals 6 to 50. R term 2 divided by term 1 gives me 1 over 5, and you should note there that that R value that we got is less than 1 and bigger than minus 1. So to get the sum to infinity, a 1 and minus R, 6 to 50, 1 minus 1 over 5 gives me 4 over 5. Change division to multiplication, invert bottom fraction, gives me 5 over 4. So that gives me 6 to 50 times 5 divided by 4. So this all converges to a value of 78,125. So hope you follow. Black and white. Yeah, those are the eras back in the day before color was discovered. But yeah, that's how we write on the board. So please tell me if you prefer the color or if you prefer black and white. Right? Continue practicing. Maths requires practice. You can't study it like other subjects. You have to work on paper. Pause, rewind, redo the sum, see where you made errors, make note of your errors, redo it till you don't make the error. I wish you nothing but the best.